Good guys, it's your boy Abdul, and today I made curry goat vegan. Check it out. Guys, so what you want to do is you want to take some curry powder and some salt, Himalayan salt, and put it to boil, because you're going to take the soy chunks and you're going to throw it in there and you're going to let it boil and get all the flavor in there, and then you start cooking down the curry. Alright guys, so right here I got my onions already cut up with some garlic. You can't really see it, but there's garlic in there. I got my different seasonings. You got your curry, your Himalayan salt, your cloves, and your garlic, and some regular seasoning all mixed up. This, you're gonna cook it down with some onions until it get cooked real good. As you can see, I got this in the pot. I put some onions in there, some chopped onions, so it can have nothing but flavor. And I took the stem of the thyme. I also threw it in there. I can't find it, but here we go. See, that's the stick. Just put it in there so it can get flavor. Remember, we're not using meat, so we have to make sure that the protein, the texture protein, has enough flavor to mimic curry goat. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm boiling curry with some onions, and I got the thyme stick in there. This is just to give the curry goat some flavor. Then what you want to do is you're going to add the soy chunks in there, and just like, this is a trick I'm showing you guys. This is how you make your soy chunks real flavorful. See that? Just let it boil. Look, everybody cooks differently. If you don't want to use this way and you want to make your own way, you could do that. I'm not sitting here, well, standing and telling you guys to follow my way. This is just me showing you guys how I make curry goat vegan style. You can see the chunks of the onions in there. I'm gonna just let that boil and sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes so it could absorb all the flavor. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start to cook down the seasoning, which is the curry, the turmeric, the thyme, everything. So I'm gonna put some olive oil in the pan, sorry. Your curry powder, your thyme, and all your seasoning. All your seasonings in that pot. Just cook it down. Cook that baby down. Cook that down. Now what you want to do is you want to put your garlic and your onions. See, look at all that garlic. So you want to go ahead and cook all of these beautiful ingredients together. That olive oil, guys, if you could smell what it smells like in my house, it's incredible. I don't have potatoes, so I'm thinking about using chickpeas, but we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so now what you want to do is add your tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, you can use ketchup. It's all good. We all in a quarantine, so certain things you can't get because everybody done bought it all. Cook that in. Oh man, I forgot. I gotta get ginger. I gotta chop up some ginger and throw that in there for flavor. Let that cook down, guys. Guys, I got some ginger I'm putting in there. Yeah, it's a lot, but I love ginger. It's so good for the food. Makes it so flavorful. That's what you want. Flavor. Put that in there. Well, this looks just about right. So you can start adding your soy chunks now. Alright guys, so now that you added your ginger, you added your seasonings, your spices, then you want to add the soy chunks. So this is what it looks like after you boil it and let it sit in the seasonings. You throw it in there. So what you're going to do now is you're going to let it cook and get all those flavors in there. And you're going to cover it up for about 15 minutes. What you guys are going to want to do is get some green plantains, slice them up into little pieces and let them sit in some salt water. I use Himalayan salt. That's the only salt I use. And just let them sit until they're ready to fry. Alright, so we have this sitting for a little bit. Let's see what it looks like real quick. Look at that. Look at all that. Beautiful. Look at that. Alright guys, so I'm just letting you guys know I'm also creating a lemon loaf, which is also vegan. Got your chickpeas, take your aquafaba, put it away because you're going to need that. Got your plantains and the Himalayan salt just chilling and waiting. That's about it, guys. So as you can see, it's all cooked down. Look at that. All the spices all cooked down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chickpeas in here. You supposed to add like potatoes, but I didn't buy some because I had so much things to carry on my bag and my book bag, and I didn't feel like spraying down the carriage in the supermarket. So the bag was so heavy already. A 10-pound bag of potatoes would have killed me, because today I carried on my bag 200 pounds. Like, it's crazy. But add your chickpeas. Now remember that pot that we had and we was boiling all the soy chunks? What you're gonna do is you're gonna get it and you're gonna pour all the flavor in there. good, guys? It's your boy Abdul, and today I made curry goat, white rice, plantains, and salad. Alright, so before I get this started, guys, I've been meaning to remake this recipe because I did it before in my previous videos, and I decided to recreate it today to show you guys step by step exactly what I did, because some of my videos I didn't really show you. So let's see what it tastes like. Alright. It's the rice. Look at that vegan curry goat. Oh man, it tastes just how I remembered it. Try these plantains. Wow, now this is a good meal. That's crazy. It tastes just like goat. All you have to do is season it. Got my little salad right here. I'm gonna use my vegan ranch. I'm only gonna use a little bit. Oh, look at that. That's good enough, guys. I know you're wondering what's in the salad, right? You got carrots, kale, beets, celery, onions, red and white, and papaya. With some sesame seeds and some fresh squeezed lemon and some olive oil and a pinch of Himalayan salt. I love salad, guys. Honestly, I could eat salad all day and don't even care. I also put some sesame seeds. It's real good for men, if you know what I mean. I'm about to just dump it in the bowl. Wow. Feel like I'm in Jamaica, man. And to drink, before I eat, I always drink a glass of water. And I got some kombucha right here. This is the GTS blueberry ginger. Very good for them enzymes in your stomach so that it could break down the food. Guys, I wanted to talk to you about this. Make sure you're eating all your foods with the enzymes that you need to break down the food in your stomach, because it could get you sick. I love kombucha, guys. Look at the onions. I got a colorful plate right here. Got all your colors here. Oh, I also put some olives in the salad. Oh, wow. A little heat, but who said you don't need it? Look at our curry go, guys. It's really good. I hope everybody's doing well. Please try this recipe. You don't have to use chickpeas. You can use potatoes because that's originally how you're supposed to do it. But I bought like 200 pounds worth of stuff today. And the potatoes would have been an extra 10 pounds. Please hit that like button, guys. Stay home, stay safe. Subscribe, share my videos, and show people. Peace.